Laundry sorting involves categorizing clothes based on color, size, and fabric type. Sorting by color prevents dye transfer and maintains the original vibrancy of clothing. Sorting by size ensures proper washing and drying, preventing damage or shrinkage. Sorting by fabric type allows for appropriate temperature and cycle settings, extending the life of garments. Laundry is sorted by color to prevent dye transfer and maintain garment appearance. Sorting clothes ensures that lighter fabrics are not stained by darker dyes during washing. Proper sorting preserves the vibrancy and original color of each garment. The process of sorting laundry involves categorizing items based on color. Sorting by color prevents color bleeding and maintains the original vibrancy of clothes. Different colors require specific washing temperatures and cycles to avoid damage. Laundry sorting involves separating clothes by color to prevent color bleeding during washing. Color sorting helps maintain the original vibrancy and appearance of clothing items. Properly sorted laundry ensures that white clothes remain bright and free from discoloration. Size sorting involves categorizing laundry items based on their dimensions. Larger clothing items, such as pants, require more space and may need different washing settings. Smaller clothing items, such as shirts, can be washed together in larger quantities. Laundry is sorted into two piles: large items and small items. The concept of big is visually represented by expansive arm movements. Conversely, small is visually represented by a compact spherical shape. The contrast between big and small illustrates differences in size and scale. Sorting laundry by clothing type is an initial step in the washing process. Different clothing types require specific washing and drying settings to prevent damage. Socks are a common clothing item that needs to be sorted for washing. Gathered socks form a consolidated pile, awaiting sorting and organization. Clothing items, such as shirts, are identified and categorized based on type. Sorting apparel ensures proper handling and storage based on fabric and garment type. Garments are categorized based on type to streamline the laundry process. Sorting clothes by type simplifies washing and drying. Efficient sorting reduces the risk of damage and ensures proper care for each type of garment. Effective laundry sorting involves separating items by color, fabric type, and washing instructions to prevent damage and maintain garment quality. Sorting by color prevents dye transfer, keeping whites bright and colored items vibrant. Fabric-specific sorting protects delicate items from damage caused by harsher washing cycles. Following washing instructions ensures proper care and extends the lifespan of clothing. Sorting items by color, size, or type is called categorizing. Categorizing involves grouping similar items together based on shared attributes. Effective categorization simplifies organization and enhances efficiency. Categorization strengthens cognitive functions, enhancing the brain's processing capabilities. Sorting activities promote neural development, leading to a sharper and more efficient mind. Educational benefits of categorization include improved memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. Sorting laundry by color prevents dye transfer and maintains garment appearance. Sorting laundry by size optimizes washing machine load balance and improves cleaning efficiency. Sorting laundry by fabric type ensures appropriate washing cycles and prevents damage to delicate materials. Proper laundry sorting extends garment lifespan and preserves fabric quality. Sorting laundry provides an opportunity for learning and organization. A positive attitude transforms chores into valuable learning experiences. Laundry tasks can reinforce skills in categorization and problem solving. The presenter expresses gratitude to the audience for their participation in the learning session. The presenter bids farewell, indicating the conclusion of the current educational module. The presenter expresses anticipation for future learning opportunities in upcoming sessions. The outro sequence begins, signaling the end of the laundry sorting fun with helper's name, friends, program. Upbeat outro music plays, creating a cheerful and positive conclusion. The outro screen displays the program's title, reinforcing the theme of laundry sorting.